Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change download location on Brave browser. Now to start, open the Brave browser app. So click on the search bar and type in Brave browser or Brave, then open it. So let's expand this. Now once you open the Brave browser app, what you can do is to tap on the three lines right here at the top right or the hamburger menu. Now, once you tap that, you need to scroll down and you need to go to settings. So look for settings and tap on it. Now it will open the settings menu. Now in here, what you need to do is go to the left side, scroll down and look for downloads and tap on that. Now once you tap on downloads, so here you will see location. Tap on the change button next to it. And here, choose a new location for your downloads. So you can choose desktop, documents, pictures, music, videos, or whichever you prefer. You can also add a new folder, for example, on videos. So I just tap on videos and then right click in here and then tap on new and then tap on folder to add a new folder. And then just rename your folder. So I'm just going to name it Brave. Press enter. So I'm just going to click on this again and tap on select folder. And as you can see, the location has been changed. Now, if you want Brave browser to ask you where to save each file before downloading, make sure you toggle this on. So ask where to save each file before downloading. So tap on this button right here to enable it. And also, if you want to show downloads when they're done to send you a notification, you can click on this too to enable it. And that's basically it. That's how you can change download location on Brave browser. So again, you need to go to the hamburger menu or the three lines at the top right, then scroll down to settings, and then just scroll down to downloads at the left side, tap on downloads, and tap on change right here, then choose your preferred location. Then tap on select folder, and that's basically it. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.